Kuzbass is the industrial center of Russia, where major coal mining, iron and steel enterprises of the country are concentrated. These enterprises export their products to 85 countries all around the world. The timely and uninterrupted supply of these products are essential for the well-being of our region's citizens. Repair and maintenance of mining and construction machinery is the responsibility of the КАМСС company. The company is an authorized dealer for sales and warranty maintenance of Cummins engines. It is also a Dresser dealer, as well as a distributor for Fleetguard filtration equipment and Valvoline lubricants. The beginnings of the КАМСС company can be traced to 1998, when the first Belzer dump truck equipped with Cummins engines appeared in Kuzbass. Consequently, the production facilities for this machinery's repair and maintenance were required. We are an energetic people. We always have a lot of ideas. It all began when I met my business partner, Mr. Sergei Komakov. We were unemployed and thinking about what to do with ourselves. The idea came up to try our hand at something we were capable of doing. We knew we were able to build a business. We met with the right people who gave us advice, which we followed. At the time, there were many people in the business who said we wouldn't succeed. As it turned out, all those skeptics have long gone, while we are here, stable, developing, with many branches that have significant presence in the region. Nowadays, КАМСС is one of the major Russian market operators for repair and maintenance of machinery for mining enterprises. We do not compromise on either the quality of service provided or our timeliness in delivery. Our performance is the company's recipe for success.
What I've learned in the mining industry is that service is what really matters. And we partner with КАМСС to deliver world-class service every single day. When I think of КАМСС, I think of the mission statement that you shared with me walking on the tour, which is a focus on providing world-class service. And so when I think of КАМСС, I think of service.
КАМСС has established branches in more than 20 regions of Russia. Production facilities are located in Buryat Autonomous District, Chita and Irkutsk regions, republics of Sakha, Khakazia and Tuva, Novosibirsk and Sverdlovsk regions, Altai and Northwest Federal District of Russia. The heart of КАМСС is beating in Kuzbass. There are several service centers in Kuzbass. I think we are the leaders in our field. The company meets all international standards. It works for the good of Kuzbass. КАМСС has its own production facilities which meet up-to-date Cummins standards. With these facilities, we are able to perform both minor repairs and overhauls of engines, components and units of machinery. Our compliance with all manufacturers' recommendations allow КАМСС to guarantee the quality of repairs performed in accordance with the manufacturer's requirements. Engine service is performed by using only modern repair and diagnostic equipment. КАМСС engineers are able to repair fuel and hydraulic systems, recondition components and assemblies. The skill of our engineers brings engines back to their original technical condition. When performing repairs, КАМСС engineers use only genuine spare parts. The company has in place an advanced logistics system. The location of spare parts is found via a computerized inventory connected to our spare parts storage facility. This allows us to find a required spare part promptly and bring it to the workshop or a customer without delay. The result is to minimize the time spent for overhaul and maintenance. If it's required, a manager can arrange an air delivery of spare parts to other regions of Russia. I travel abroad a lot, and during every trip I visit a factory, whether it's located in China, US or Europe. I adopt all the best practices that they have in order to implement it here. Every quarter period, the Americans visit us. and they have said that our engineering staff is exceptionally well qualified. We involve our engineers in ongoing training here in Russia and abroad. We glean everything worthwhile so that we can implement it here. Due to the high skill of КАМСС engineers, they are able to perform service on engines of various power output. The process is as follows. When an engine arrives at the production facility, it is brought to the washroom, cleaned and then disassembled. Then a defects analysis of engine components and assemblies is carried out. Those that can be repaired are sent to a machine workshop. This workshop performs cylinder block boring, shaft grinding and fabrication of fasteners. By using multi-purpose equipment for defects analysis, machine parts are tested to determine whether the part can be reused or not. Using ultraviolet light, our specialists test each part in order to detect defects so that they can be corrected with a grinding machine. Because an electronic fuel ejection system is applied in Cummins engines, the fuel system repair workshop performs defects analysis and repair of fuel injection pumps and nozzles. The engineers use advanced test benches made by Cummins and Bosch. An electromechanical workshop performs diagnostic and testing of alternators, starters, and other electrical equipment using test benches. The engineers are able to repair all Cummins engines and electrical-driven accessories. A wide range of Cummins engines requires an enormous variety of electrical equipment. The high skill of our engineers are demonstrated by their multiple certificates and diplomas. When an engine components and units have been renewed, they are sent for reassembly. The assembled renewed engine is brought to a testing workshop. Those conditions that the engine is intended to be operated under are recreated in this workshop. The engine is filled with oil and cooling liquid, secured on a specific test bench where it is tested under various loads. The computer that controls the test bench records all operational parameters of the engine. Afterwards, the engine is sent to a paint shop and finally to a specific storage yard from where it is shipped to a customer. Besides maintenance and repair at our own production facility, КАМСС performs field service. Every engineer, as a member of a field service team, has a specific certificate verifying his skills. Field service engineers, on a round-the-clock basis, provide diagnostic and repair services within a customer's own premises. Based on contractual relations, КАМСС engineers perform maintenance of pit mining machinery for such major coal mining enterprises within Кузбасс as Кузбассразвес Угал, Стройсервис, Resource, Mechel, Междуречья. Such work at the customer's premises avoids a long downtime in the mining process and fulfills the key mission of the КАМСС group of companies to provide high quality of service 24 hours a day. Lead manufacturers of open-pit mining and construction machinery recommend monitoring the condition of lubricants during the machinery's operation. This enables detection of defects before they can cause failure to components and assemblies. By monitoring the variation of engine oil operational performance, we can determine the areas where engine wear is occurring and avoid failures. Consequently, the cost of machinery maintenance and engine overhaul are reduced. КАМСС Test Laboratory specializes in trend analysis of the following oils: engine, hydraulic, transmission, and so on. КАМСС laboratory is approved not only within Kuzbass, but also far beyond and meets all advanced test center requirements. The laboratory is certified to the Russian GOST system for technical competence and independence. Modern equipment, highly qualified staff, and our current quality system enables significant reduction of the time from when a sample is taken to the lab and the analysis results are completed. The oil trend analysis performed by our laboratory is a guarantee of our equipment's stable operation. We use integrated programs developed over the years that help us to reduce expenses for combustibles, especially oils and filters. Our cooperation has allowed us to extend oil drain intervals. The implementation of this program has been going on for several years, and today we know for sure that we have managed to extend the drain interval at least twofold. We have decreased our financial expenses and downtime of equipment for that reason. Today, oil drain interval is 500 motor hours, which doesn't influence engine operation quality. КАМСС meets our needs, keeping all its warranty obligations. We have no problems with engine operations between overhauls. Smooth and failure-free operation of equipment influences the steady operation of the company. Our company won the first prize in the competition among Kuzbass coal mining companies devoted to the miners' days. The governor of Kemerovo region, Aman Tulev, awarded a diploma to us. A part of our success is failure-free equipment operation provided by КАМСС. The company's management recognizes that it's all about the people, and that's why КАМСС has established a Center for Vocational Training. It will be a unique center within the country exclusively dedicated to vocational training. A man will practice not only certain skills, let's say a driver, but also will practice skills of an excavator and loader operator. He will become a multi-skilled worker. Nowadays, we should aspire to this, to train people because of the shortage of vocational personnel. We have to invest in the next generation. Now the average age of a shop floor worker is 50 years, and soon there will be nobody who can work at the mine face or in the coal pit. I've already found like-minded people, and I'm supported by the authorities because they realize that the youth and their education is an investment in the future. An education and training system must be organized in a new way, according to the industry needs, keeping in mind the social responsibility of schools, colleges and universities. With such an integrated system, we'll move forward. The major objective of the centre is initial training, ongoing training and advanced training of the company's skilled workers and technical engineering personnel. The centre implements a dual training system, which is the most popular in the world and complies with the company's development objectives. The process combines theoretical and practical courses. The system does not require any extra expenses for the Physical Resources Department. Lectures and practical courses are held on an on-the-job basis. Training rooms are equipped with up-to-date equipment, incorporating our own unique design. Training simulators allow carrying out a comprehensive range of laboratory research in the field of electrical equipment, hydraulics and engine service. Together with Novokuzhnetsk municipality district authorities, we have the goal to build up a multi-purpose training center of applied skills. This is to meet both today's current demand and President Putin's requirement to create employment opportunities for 25 million people. Both our internal employees and the external training service providers will be trained by these multi-purpose training centers of applied skills. This is the challenge we face. КАМСС is proud of its employees. Everyone are highly skilled specialists who has been trained in Russia and abroad and who has obtained international certificates. Our commitment to good staff relations is one of the company's management policy direction. You need to get smart people together around you, smarter than you, professionals in every field, and then it will succeed, because you can't know everything. You need to make a team, and then you will be able to do everything you want. I'm strong because I have a strong team. КАМСС staff is young, which means it has initiative and is active. A quarter of the company's staff is young people who are under 30. КАМСС is constantly on the move. Due to our partnership arrangements with education and training institutions, today's students and potential employees of the company work as trainees within the КАМСС workshops on an annual basis. The КАМСС facilities provide comfortable working conditions, which is a significant part of the effectiveness of our employees. КАМСС employees enjoy lunch in the company's specifically built canteen. The comprehensive menu comprises of homemade courses made from food supplied from our own gardens and farms. КАМСС gives special attention to health and well-being of its employees. Workers can take a rest and restore their health during the whole calendar year at Russian health resorts. The recreation of our employees' children is very important to КАМСС management. Every summer, the kids are sent to a seaside resort at Kazir tourist camp. The company is proud of its sportsmen's achievements. КАМСС considers the Miners' Day to be its professional holiday. On the day, all the company's employees and partners celebrate their accomplishments. At staff meetings, the best employees are awarded with diplomas and letters of appreciation for hard work during the year. A special achievement is the awarding of the КАМСС Golden Pin Badge. КАМСС considers that it has a social responsibility not only to its staff but also to society. КАМСС assists non-profit organizations, vocational education and training institutions, as well as high and nursery schools. The economic reality is that the people do all the work. If we don't support people and their children, we won't have a future. We'd be like a day-fly company. But we don't want that. We want to stay in the market for many years yet, to work smoothly and effectively. We have a philosophy, not to overreach, not to fall behind, and not to follow the crowd, rather to keep up with the times. We follow this principle and constantly develop КАМСС. That's why КАМСС is an ideal partner for those who know the value of time, reliability, and quality. КАМСС is Cummins engines, Fleetguard filtration equipment, and Valvoline lubricants. КАМСС is high-quality service,